Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vertex tutorial. In this fourth lecture, we are going to learn about arc and polygons, and we are going to take on splines and type and dimensioning that spline and ellipse. So let's start. Here we have to, as you all know that we have to select front plane first. Sketch, it is selected, make it as normal. To make it normal, just press Ctrl plus 8. We are going to take on arc. We have center point arc, tangent arc and 3-point arc. We are going to use most of the time is 3-point arc. So let's start with 3-point arc. 1 point, second point and third point. Selected. Now in this I am going to teach you one more thing, is that relation. So between these 3 points, I am going to set the relation as horizontal. It is going to constrain the degree of freedom. It cannot go anywhere from this horizontal line, as you can see that, because we have made this as horizontal to this point and this point. So now one more thing, I am going to select this and select this, going to make it vertical. So these 2 points are verticals. Now one thing you have to notice, that it is not still fully defined. To define it fully, we have to dimension it. Let's dimension it as 35. Okay, this is 66. As you are going to notice that the color changes from blue to black. That means your sketch is fully defined. Always try to make your sketches fully defined for better design. This was 3-point arc. Now we are going to take on tangent arc. We are not going to draw, we are not actually able to draw a tangent arc because we don't have any other arc. So let's start with 3-point arc. Okay, that's fine. Now we should work tangent arc. See, it is going to draw tangentially to that point. It is tangent to this point. This is the use of center point arc. Basically we are not going to use this center arc, it is of no use. We can make these 2 arc as 3-point arc and apply the relationship tangent. So one more thing I am gonna teach you in this lecture is, other thing is center point arc. It is going to expand centrally, as you all know that. Yeah, it is of your choice that what you are going to make from this. I am going to just teach you the tool. Okay, that's fine. Now just move on to polygon. First of all, clear this. select this polygon, select a center point, and this done. Here we have 6 polygons. Let's say we want to edit the diameter of this. You can do is let me select. Okay. Six sides, 5. Select the polygon. Now here make it vertical. Select this point and make it this. Select 10. Let's say 10. We have 10 sides. Now select 20. We have this. Let's say select 6 sides. We have 6 sides. It is usually used to make nut and bolts kind of a structure. It is now it is inscribed circle, and now it is going to circumscribe on the circle. See the changes. Okay, polygon is clear. Now we are going to take on spline. We have style spline, equation driven curve. This is for high type of accurate advanced type of spline, which is going to driven from an equation. So we are not going to detail on this equation driven curve. First we are going to talk about simple spline. This we can dimension it let's say 75. We can have these type of arrows. We can mold these shapes according to ourselves. We can increase the length of this head. Actually we can put a dimension to this, that how long the length of this head should be, to 10. Okay, that's fine. The other line is style spline. That's it. We can move this from one line. So this is our spline and tools. Basically we are going to use more of this simple spline. We are not going to use this style spline, as simple spline will give you more control on the geometry, more control on your hand to mold your geometry according to yourself. That's it from this lecture.